What is a test oracle? A test oracle is any mechanism, process, or principle used to determine whether the actual output or behavior of a software under test is correct, expected, or acceptable. It essentially answers the question, how do I know if this test has passed or failed? Oracles can be code, documents, user expectations, mathematical models, business requirements, or even an expert's judgment. Test oracles help testers spot errors by providing a reference for comparison. But oracles themselves can be incomplete or imprecise. Not all incorrect behaviors may be detected. It is a confusing term because the word oracle does not explain what it is. You might think of an ancient fortune teller or magic answers. Many types of oracles exist. For example, specification-based, human, heuristic, statistical, golden master, etc. Test oracles are not just automated scripts. Even written documentation or customer feedback can act as an oracle. Sometimes there is no oracle that covers every scenario, meaning some errors slip through undetected even though you have an oracle in place. As a concrete example, suppose you are testing a loan calculator. The requirements document says that entering the principal 1000, rate equals to 10% and term 1 year should yield the interest 100 and a total amount of 1100. The requirements here act as the test oracle. If your software produces a different number, for example, the total amount becomes 1150, your test will fail according to this test oracle. A test oracle helps testers decide if software is working correctly by providing a trusted reference for expected output or behavior. The better the oracle, the more reliable your tests. If it is missing or if it is wrong, your tests may miss some mistakes, errors, or they may flag correct things as wrong.